Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are making a dry vermicelli recipe, which was also requested by many viewers, and we was wanting to make it long ago, but now we have a chance. For my ingredients, I have 250 gram of vermicelli, 150 gram of butter, quarter teaspoon of elaichi powder, and 1 cinnamon stick, and 3 green elaichi that I gave it a quick roast so it can unlock the flavors. I'm also using a small handful of sultan and a small handful of almond. Half a cup of sugar. I am going to use water. Firstly, I'll start off with a cup of water and I will adjust if we need more. And finally, I will tell you all exactly how much of water I used. This is going to be a quick recipe, so let's get cracking. I've got my stove on, moderate heat, and I'm just going to add in my butter to the pan. So while the butter is melting, I'm going to put in my cinnamon stick and my elaichi, and then allow this butter to melt. While my butter is melting, I'm going to also add in my almonds for a quick fry. I'm going to add my sultanas in and also give this a quick fry. I will continue mixing till my almonds and sultana is fried out. My almonds and my sultana is ready to take out. And how you know when it's ready? When our sultana plumps up. Before my butter burns, I'm also going to add in my vermicelli. I am not going to break this vermicelli because when I'm going to continue roasting it, it will break on its own. I will allow this to come to the golden brown color. This is how I like my vermicelli to look, nice and golden brown and not too burn. Gradually I'm going to add in my 1 cup of water. I'm also going to add in another cup of water, so that is 2 cups altogether. Give it a mix. Then I'm going to put my lid on and allow it to boil out. It has been about 5 minutes, and as you can see, my vermicelli has come to the fry, but it's not cooked properly, and all the water is reduced. So I'm just going to add in another half a cup of water till my vermicelli is done. I will add in my lid. My vermicelli is now cooked. And to this I'm going to add in my elaichi, and gradually I'm going to add in my sugar So this sugar will allow my vermicelli to have a beautiful shine to it. That's the reason why we add it after the water has dried off. My sugar has now dissolved, and you can see it made my vermicelli look very shiny. To this, I'm going to just throw in my sultanas and my almonds. Give it a quick mix, and I'm going to switch my stove off, and I'm ready to serve. Here you go, your lovely dry vermicelli made quick and easy. It makes for a delicious treat for any special occasion. Normally we use milk and condensed milk, but this one don't use any milk and condensed milk. And also you can substitute your butter for ghee. If you prefer, you can also leave out the almonds and the sultanas, or you can add roasted coconut and serve it with ice cream or whipped cream. I hope you'll give this a try, and thank you all for watching and enjoy.